Hey guys, thanks so much for being here. Today we're going to try to do a very quick video on the importance of having a bookkeeper or doing your books, at the very minimum of doing your books, whether you have QuickBooks Online or Zero or something, you need something. But here we go. So we're going to show you the importance. You can see here they have their checking, savings, and MasterCard. You can actually connect your bank account to your accounting software so that it can pull in what you do into this software so you don't have to manually enter. It saves a ton of time. So we're going to go down here and we're going to look, and you can see it brings down all the things that you've done that month, week, day, however you spend. Some people have a lot, some people don't. We see pound here. We spent $75 for pounds, so we're going to make sure we get this categorized correctly so our financials are correct. And what we're going to do is we're going to put this as an expense. Pam has a paper shop. We bought some copy paper for the office, so we're going to put paper down here so we'll remember what it's for. Okay, so we've got that. Then we're going to add it, and that is going to roll right on over to our bank register. And we're going to look at our bank register, and those two little green squares mean it has cleared the bank, and you see a C for cleared the bank. Now, the reason this is so important is because if it comes through the bank and you didn't realize it came through the bank and you had already entered it, let's say you sent her a check or something, or I don't know, you thought you sent her a check, but you didn't, you paid with the card. So you manually entered the $75. Your bank account in QuickBooks is going to look like it's less than what it actually is in your bank because you've got a double expense going on for the exact same thing. So what we're going to do is we're going to take this and we're going to delete this extra $75, and then that makes it correct. So now you've just got it in there one time. Your bank account is balancing with your QuickBooks account is balancing with your bank account. Now, when you go over and reconcile this, and you should 1000% reconcile your bank account, this is going to make sure that your QuickBooks and your statement from the actual bank match. And the reason it could not match is because human error, computer error, QuickBooks error, everything, there's always some sort of error, that margin that you've got to account for. So you definitely need to make sure whatever software you're using, you balance it against the actual statement of what went through the bank that month. This is extremely important because this keeps your reports correct and your financials correct. So in the future, when you want to go get a loan or a line of credit or buy equipment for your company, you can do that because your financials are correct. And when you're not categorizing stuff and putting it in the right area, or you're not even reconciling your bank account, your business actually suffers from that. So whether you're trying to do this alone or you're actually you've got somebody doing it for you, make sure you're understanding what's going on and what it should be. Because when you have a bookkeeper on your side, if you trust them, they're going to come to you with stuff and say, hey, I don't see a receipt for this, or hey, Sam over here bought something that's not usual for his card. Is this accurate? And you can say, hey, yeah, I authorized that purchase. Thanks for letting me know. Or you'll say, what? No, I don't know what that is. I didn't authorize that. And fraud happens, and you can find fraud that way. But if you are not in your books and if you don't know what's going on, then you won't be able to find it either. Because if you don't have somebody on your side helping you with this and you're trying to do it all, then you don't know what's coming in and out of your bank account. And that is why it's so important to hire somebody that you trust to do these things for you and to help you with that. So you can focus on the important things like running your business, and the bookkeeper can do what they do best, and that's books. So if you don't have anybody, feel free to reach out to us. We'd love to help you. But if you do have somebody, make sure You're getting in there and they're explaining to you what's going on, because this is your business and you need to know your business. So make sure your nose is in your business. We appreciate you guys. Thanks for watching, and you all have an absolutely wonderful day.